Run over here quick.
Hurry.
Yeah. Second haircut? Are you vaporizing?
Light bulbs.
Awesome.
They did this on Mythbusters.
Oh, shit.
That was a good one.
Damn.